Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to digitize your company stamp without using Photoshop. It's easy and fast. First, take a photo of your stamp on a clean white sheet of paper or scan it. Then go to the website www.artlogo.co. Click on All Products, scroll down to the third page, and select Free Handwritten Signature Generator. Click on Scan Your Signature. This is the tool we'll be using. Next, click on Choose File and upload the photo of your stamp. Then, click Select Background and click on the background area of your stamp. The removal process will begin. It might take a little time. Once it's done, you can crop the image. Change the color of the stamp, and even adjust the thickness. When you're happy with the result, click on the download icon, the arrow, to save it. Let's check what we got. Looks great. Now, open a document file and insert the stamp. Just drag it in. Use the wrap text option to position it how you like, and it's ready to use. I hope you enjoy this method. If you'd like a custom designed signature or logo, visit artlogo.co and use the discount code provided in the video description.